Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to fix a soap dispenser that is not opening. This brand is Whirlpool. This kind. Whirlpool. Model number. It's right there. So the problem is just the dishes are not cleaning. The soap is stuck in here in this dispenser, and when you press this button, it should have been released, open like that automatically, but in this case it's not opening. So to fix that, usually you have something going on with a spring. So for this model, you have one spring, which is this guy right here. Okay, so to fix this, sometimes the spring gets out of place. So what you want to do is you want to pop the pin, get you a little mini flathead or something you can shove. All you gotta do is push that pin all the way out, and then you should be able to pop this guy right here. So what happened is the spring is it's out of position. So to fix that, you're gonna have to bend the spring. Okay, I'm gonna put the thing in there. So what you want to do is you want to push this all the way like that. The spring. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. 1 second. So what you want to do is bend this and just kind of let it. It should be like that. Just push it. See how the spring is, this little spring right here, right there. It's down like that. And you're gonna go ahead and push the pin all the way, and that's fix your issue. Remember that spring, see this little spring right here? It should be facing this way. This way. Okay. Over time, they do go out of position. So that's it. Easy fix. I hope you guys learned this, and have a good day.